Hello there, so welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood, and in this video, I will tell you how you can create an e-commerce website for any business, especially the jewelry business. So, you will be able to create any type of e-commerce website after watching this video. So, for that, we are going to use this theme, WoodMart theme. Its price is $59. There are 85 plus pre-built websites ready-made in the WoodMart theme. Here you can see you can choose any. They are highly professional and modern to use. So here you can type jewelry if you want to use this. So let's just check out this one because we will install this one in this video. And here you can see the slider that is built using the Slider Revolution plugin, and you can scroll down and the complete website is built using Elementor. So it's just drag and drop and you can easily update content and information. So here you will be able to add the products within any category you like, and you can change these images and the content if you want. You will be able to add the social icons, and here you can see the complete design. Here if you want you can connect your Instagram account, and here you have the blog section. So if you want to do blogging you can add your blogs here, otherwise you can hide any sections. And here is the footer, you can add your contact information, recent posts and the locations, plus all the useful links. And let's go to the top. So here you have the login register button. User can create their account if they want, otherwise you can also turn off this feature. And here they have the wish list. So if anyone like the product they can just click on add to wish list, and they will be able to see them using the wish list, you can see. And if anyone want to purchase the plugin they can just click on add to cart, and then a sidebar like this will be appeared, and they will click on checkout, and here they can confirm the order. Here you will be able to add different payment methods, so user will be able to place the order very easily. Here user can also add any coupon code. If you have provided them you will be able to create the coupon codes from your dashboard. And here you have several other pages that you can use if you want, and you can also hide them if you want. So these are all the templates that you can use. And here you can see the loop templates, single pages and different things that you can add on your website. Here you can see titles, browsers, sliders and different things that you can use on the website. So let's go back to the website. So first of all you will have to get this theme. So for that you can click on add to cart, and here you will be able to get the license. You can click on go to checkout. I will provide the link for this theme in the description of the video. So you can just fill out the form and add the billing detail, create account, and you can download the theme. So after that you will have to purchase a web hosting. For that I will provide the link in the description as well, and you can go to Bluehost. So I will provide a link in the description. So here when you will scroll down you will see the plans. So here when you will use my link you will get 83% discount. So here you can see you can host 10 websites in it, and you will be getting 10 GB storage, and you will be getting free SSL certificate plus free domain, and it's ideal for 40k visits by month, which is more than enough. And you will also get 24/7 chat support. So if you have any problem you can just contact the live chat support by using this button, and you will be able to ask any questions and they will help you right away. So that's why I recommend this web hosting. So you can click on choose plan, and it's also very much affordable. So here you can add the domain name that you want to get. So let me just add the one that I need. So here you can click on search for domain. So this will be the address of your website. So make sure to use an appropriate name over here. And here you can remove this domain privacy. And here you can see that you will be able to get this web hosting for only $23. So just click on continue to checkout. And here you can fill this form and add your credit card information, and you can submit the order. So after you will submit the order, you will be able to log into your WordPress. So if you have any question, you can go to my channel, and here when you will click on this playlist tab, here you will see this playlist Bluehost tutorials. So you can view this playlist and you can watch any video that you like if you have any question or face any issue while setting up this Bluehost web hosting. So if you still have any question, you can contact the live chat spot, or you can go to my website and I can also help you out. All the links will be provided in the description of the video. So now let's go to the website. So here we have the fresh WordPress installed, and we can go to the dashboard. And here when you will go to the plugins, here you will see some plugins installed. You can delete all of the plugins. Here had installed Elementor Pro earlier, but I will delete this because we don't need any paid plugin. So now go to appearance and you can delete all of these themes to make your website lightweight, and it will improve your performance and speed. So there will be only one theme installed. You can click on add new theme and click on upload theme and choose the file that you downloaded from theme forest. For example, I have extracted the file and I see this thing, and now here I can go to this WoodMart theme folder and I see this woodmart.zip file, and I can double click on it and I will click on install now. It will take a little bit of time, so you don't need to worry, just wait a little bit. So here you can see the theme is installed and we can click on activate. Here you can click on let's start, and here you can activate the theme. I can just skip this one. So you can install the child theme if you want. I can just skip this one as well because I don't want to create it currently. And here you can select Elementor and click on next, and these are all the plugins that are required. Click on install plugins and here you will see all the plugins, so you can install all of them. Now go to plugins and here you can activate all of them except this WP Bakery page builder because we are using Elementor. So click on activate and apply. So now you will see different options over here, and now hover to WoodMart and select this pre-built websites option, and here you will see all the demos that you can install on your website. So you can choose anyone. I am going to use the jewelry one in this, so I will click on import and it will take a little bit of time, so we can wait. So here you can see that the demo is imported and we can now visit the website, and here you can see the website now, and here you see the store coming soon. So to make it live you can just click on this button and here you can click on live save changes. So now we have installed the theme and we have installed the required plugins and we have installed the theme demo as well. So now let's see how we can change the theme styling. So if you want to match them with your brand, then then you can follow this method. So just hover to WoodMart and here you will hover to the theme settings, and here you will see different settings like styles and color, and in header builder you will see the current header. So the theme settings, let's first go to the styles and colors, and here when you will click on colors you will see the primary and secondary color. So if you want to change them as per your brand, then you can just edit them and add the and you can add the RGB color code over here. So once you add and save, then the colors, then this color will be replaced by your brand color, and similarly you can change for this color. So once you have changed the colors, you can go back to the website and you will see the updated colors. So now let's see how we can customize the header in WoodMart theme. So to edit the header, you can hover to WoodMart and here you will see header builder. So you can click on current edit current header. So here you see the logo. When you click on edit, you will see the current logo. So if you want to change it, just click on it and here you can search for logo, and when you will search for it you will see the logos. You can click on this white logo. Here you can see the dimensions of the logo, so you can create a new logo with the same dimension so that it will appear exactly like this. and there will be no alignment issue. So for that, just go to canva.com. It's a free tool where you can create design, and we can log in, and here click on create a design and enter custom size, and just go to the header builder and here see the values 36953, and you can enter this, create a new design. And here if you already have a logo, you can upload your logo and just resize it. Otherwise you can use any of the template, or maybe you can just create your own logo. So let me just create a simple logo. And download the logo. If you have paid Canva Pro, then you can download this transparent. Otherwise you can just download it, and you can go to the website called remove background, and when you will upload your logo over here, then it will give you transparent logo, so that it will not show any background. Like here you can see a black background, so it will not show that. So download the logo in HD. Over HD you just need to log into the website. So after that, go to the header builder, and here you can upload the file, use the image, and here you can see it's updated. And just do not change the other settings, otherwise the logo alignment gets gets worse. So just save it, and here we have the main menu. You can click on edit, and here you will have to choose the menu that you want to show. So currently we have not created the menu. These are all the theme menus that came with the demo. So we will create a new menu, and then we will select it over here. And here you have the account search wish list card. So I do not want this account thing, so I can remove it, and we can keep the rest of the things. And here you can click on mobile, and you will see the mobile settings over here. Click on the logo, and here you have the WoodMart logo again. Just click over it, and here select the new logo, and just click on save changes. And by the way, here you also see the settings for the sticky header, but you don't need to upload your logo because it will just use the same logo as the regular header if you are not uploading any logo in the sticky header. If you want to use a different header, different logo in sticky header, then you can change that definitely. When you scroll down here on your website, when you scroll down, you see this sticky header. So this is the header basically. So if you want to use a different logo over here, then you can just upload a different logo in the sticky header. So just click on save, and now let's click on settings. And here if you want to make it full weight, or you want to change anything like the drop down or something, then you can definitely do that. So just click on save, and now go back to the website and click on refresh. Here you can see the new logo, and when we scroll down we see this logo as well. And here you can see the account thing is now gone. So let's click on inspect and see the mobile version. So here's the mobile version. Here you can see the things. So after that you need to click on this header builder option, and currently we have changed this one, so we also need to update these ones, which are the different versions. Like if we go to this compare page, then you see this different header. So for these ones we also need to update the logo and this option separately. Now let's download this logo in black color. We can make the background white, and we can change the color. Now let's go to remove BB and download this transparent color. So just click over here and update the logo. In this light one, you can upload the dark logo, and dark one, you can upload the light logo. So all of them are done. So let's refresh. So they are updated. So now let's set up the menus. So here you can click on edit, and you can see which menu is selected down in the mobile. So you can see none is selected. So just close this and go to appearance, and here select menus, and here we can click on create a new menu, and here you can name it anything like any name. And You can check mark both of these and click on create menu. And here you can now click on view all, and you can add the pages that you want to show in the header. So let me add the shop page, contact us, compare, and the front page. So let's add them. And we can also show the categories, but we have not created them yet. So just click on save. And now let's create some categories. So go to the product. So these are the categories where you upload your products. So these are all the fake categories that came with the theme. So just delete them. I'll check all of them and delete all of them. So this is the default category, so we cannot delete it. So let's just rename this one, and we can name it jewelry, or we can say gold plated jewelry. This is the main item for this store, so we can keep it as the default category, and you can definitely change that picture later on. And let's add some more categories, which will be gold plated bangles. And now let's add another category, that is gold plated bridal jewelry. Kakis come add. So let's keep these three categories for now. And now let's see how we can add them in the menu. So just go to appearance menus. So here we will scroll down and we will see the product categories. Click on view all, add all three of them. And here you can make them as a drop down by just dragging them over a bit, and you can make the names shorter for the menus. So just click on save, and now let's visit the website. And we can also change the order of these if we want. So, and let's keep it here. Just do that like this. And now let's use it the score and refresh. And you can see now simple. So here is the menus. We can move this icon, change the default category, which is why it's showing like this. So we can fix this. Here it is. We can open it, remove and then update, refresh, and here you can see now it is fixed. So just keep your website simple. So that's the main thing. Now let's see how we can customize footer in the WoodMart theme. So here is the footer. So to customize the footer, you can over edit with Elementor, and here you will see footer 1 column dark. So just open this, and here you see the first column of this footer that you can customize using this thing, using this option, and the other options and the other things you can customize with another method that I will tell you. So now go to the website, and here we can upload the new logo, and here we can add a description of the store that currently I'm not adding. You can just update it over here, and here you can see the address, phone number, and fax. You can update it or remove it if you want. So just click on publish, and now let's go back to the store, click refresh, and here you can see the updated information and these things. For these things you need to go to WoodMart, and here you need to go to footer. Currently 5 columns are showing, and to change the content of the other 4 columns you need to go to widgets. So for that, just scroll, and here you will see appearance, and go to widgets over here, and here you can scroll down, and here you will see all the footer columns, and here you can see the first column, which is the HTML block that we have already edited. So this one, footer column 2, is showing the recent post. So if you want to change them, just click on it, and you can change them if you want. Otherwise you can also remove this, and you can remove this from here. So from here you can just add a new item, and similarly for these columns, similarly for these other columns, you can update the menu. Here you can see a navigation menu called footer menu useful links is showing. So if you want to add any page over here, or you want to remove any page, you can just go to appearance menu and select this menu, and you can make changes to that. Similarly for this footer column 5, you can update anything that you want from the appearance and menu. So just let's go to these menus and see if we can customize them. And here we have the privacy policy, return terms, contact us, let us know your sitemap, but the links are not added. So we need to add the correct links. So let's see if we can add a new page to our store. So here we have returns and terms and conditions. So let's see if we can create a new page for them. So for to create a new page, we can hover to pages and we will click on add new page. So just click on that. Here we can write returns. You can publish the page and here you can write the return policy. So you can save the page. After that you can use ChatGPT or any return policy generator for this, or you can write your own custom return policy. So after creating the page, you can just copy the link of the page and go to appearance menus, and here you can add the link for that and click on save. Similarly for the other menus, you can create their pages and you can add their links in them. Now let's go to footer menu or store, and here are the locations that are showing in the footer. So here, yes, close this, and here you can scroll. Here you can see the locations that are showing. So I'll so you can add the location or you can remove all of these if you don't need. So let's just remove the other ones. Now let's go to the store and refresh, and here you can see the updated location. And now let's edit this menu. So I want this to be top profile. So I can add the link for that. I don't want to add this menu. So let's remove this one. I will keep the contact us and remove this purchase theme. And here I also want to add another page that is about us. So let's add this page. Click on save. Now go back and refresh. And here you can see the updated menus. And now the final thing, how you can change this credit and these logos. So you can hover to WoodMart theme over here and go to theme settings and select footer over here again. And now we have set up these things, and now let's click on this copyright, and here you see the copyright. So here if you want to add any website link, you can update this website link. And I want to go all this. Now we check the store, and here you can see the updated. And now let's see how we can change this logo finally. So to update this logo, go back to the theme setting, and here is the text that you have updated, and here is the image link that is showing over here. If you want to remove this, just remove it. Otherwise you can update this image link. You can upload new image in the media tab over here and just update the link and click on save changes, and it will update this thing. So that's how you can customize the footer in your WoodMart theme. So let's go to the website. So here we are in the website. So let's see how we can customize the pages. So if you want to customize the home page, for example, so you can just open the home page and you will click on edit with Elementor. And if you want to customize any other page like contact us page, you can just click on it, and here you will see edit with Elementor. So you can just click on it to edit the page. So let's click on it. So here we are in the editor mode, and when you are in the editor mode, here you will see these pen buttons, and you will see three options on top of each section. So here we have another section. So if you want to change this Google map, for example, you can just click on this pen button, and here you see some more options like the latitude, the longitude, where this map is pointing currently. So if you want to use this, you can add your longitude and latitude. For now, I just want to delete this Google map because I don't want to use that. I want to keep it simple. So here you see the contact form, and here you see the FAQ section. So if you want to edit this FAQ section and want to add your own content, you can just click on this pen button, and here you can expand these, and here you see the answers that is showing over here, and here you will see the question that is showing on the top. So you can add your own content if you want. And similarly, if you want to change any of the content in this heading, just click on this pen button, and here you will see the text. So you can update the text and click on publish to change them. So similarly for this, and for this form, this is created using contact form plugin. So if you want to make changes to this form, you can just go to your dashboard. So let's see how we can change the form on the page. So to change the form, just go to this contact forms, and here you see the forms. So if you want to edit this contact form 1, then you can edit this one. If you want to add the contact form alternative, then you can edit this one. And when you will open them, you will see the HTML code. You can use ChatGPT to modify them, or if you have expertise in HTML CSS, then you can also customize this. So it's not a lot difficult, so you just need to understand a bit, and you can change the text title from here, the field names. So you can change them if you want. And if you want to update the email to which the content of the form will be sent, so when a user fill the form, you will receive all the information. So you can update your own email over here, and here you can update the error and the success messages. So now let's see how we can change the home page. So let's go to the site. So now let's visit this edit with Elementor in a new tab. So this section, the banner, is created using a slider plugin. So we can skip this, and we will see we can change the banners later on. And for these images, you just need to click on this pen button, and here you can upload a new image and you can replace it. And similarly, this text, just click on it and you can update it from here. And here you can click on this pen button and you can update the link. So if the page is already in your website, just type the name of the page, and it will show the pages that match with the name that you input. So you can just select the page that you want to connect with the button, so you can click on it, and it will add the link for that in the button. And here in the view more, maybe you want to link the about page, so you can add that, and just click on this and you can update the text over here. And here are the products. You can change the category which is showing over here. So you just input the category name and it will change the products. So we will later on see how we can upload products in the categories, so you will understand exactly what I mean. And here you can just click on this button and you can update the background image and things, and you can change the colors and the styling from this style tab. Similarly for these headings, just click on it, and when you go to style, you can change their colors and the typography. And just click on these and you can update the text as you want. For the social icon, just click on this, and here you will see the share thing. So if you want to add the sharing button, then you choose share. So otherwise you can choose follow, and here when you will choose custom, you will be able to add the links of the social media profile. So when anyone will click on the icon, then they will go to the social media profile. And here you can upload your signature image, and you can add if you want. If you want to remove any section, just click on this cross and the whole section will be removed. And similarly, you can update the product category that is showing over here. You can maybe create a category like engagement and wedding, and then when you will add product to that, it will automatically show over here. And here just click on it and change. And similarly, here some products are showing, and you can change the category if you want. So here is Instagram showing. So if you want to change and link to your Instagram, then you will need to use an Instagram app. Like here you can see. So you can follow the instructions and you can update and add your own Instagram. So if you want to avoid this section, then you can also remove this section. So I do not want to use this section because I currently don't have any Instagram profile for this business, so I can just turn it off. And similarly, I can hide these things as well. So that's how you can hide these things. Just go to responsive and hide, or you can also remove this. If you hide this, you then you can later on show these again as well. So that's a benefit. And here we have the testimonials, the reviews. So if you want to update the content, then you can update the image, the text, the titles, taglines, and all the stuff by just clicking on them. And here you have the newsletter, which is used to sign up. So you can connect these newsletter to the MailChimp or any email marketing platform if you want, and that will help you create email campaigns. So if you want, you can do that. Otherwise, it will just send the email to your own email. So if you want to link email campaign marketing tool any like MailChimp, so you can add that. And here you can add blogs, and you can update the category which is showing over here. So you can create any blog categories which are different from the product categories, and you can add them over here if you want. If you don't want to do blogging, then you can also remove this section. So just click on publish. So now let's visit the website, and so now let's go to the shop page and see how we can customize the shop page on WoodMart theme. So here when you go to the shop page, you hover to edit with Elementor and you can see it is not clickable. So how do you change this? So first of all, let's see how we can change this background image on shop page. So to edit this banner, you can hover to WoodMart and you can go to theme settings, and here you can scroll and go to page title, and here when you will scroll down you will see this background image. So you can upload a new background image or you can just remove this one. So let me just change this one. We can use this one instead, and let's click on save option. You can also upload a new banner image. So just go back and refresh, and here you can see it is changed. So here user can change the number of products on the page, and they can also change the products showing in one row. So here you can see they can always change, and you can add these filters from the shop filters. You can go to shop filters, you can enable or disable them. So this will allow user to apply filters and see the product that match with the filter. So now if you want to change the design of this item, one item, so just go to the theme settings, and here go to this product archive, go to products grid, and here you can change the settings of them. And if you want to change the style, then go to product style, and here you see different styles, and you can see, so you can apply the one that you want. And similarly for the categories, if if the categories are showing anywhere on the website, you can change their style from here. And here we have the brand logos. So if you want to change these brand logos, then you can hover over Elementor and you will see this pre-footer. You can add it with Elementor. Just open this, and here you will be able to upload your own logos. And if you want to remove the logos, then you can remove them. So here you can see, so you can remove the logos if you want, and if you want to change them, then you can add your own logos from here you can first add the brands that you want. So to add the brand, just go to the products and hit select the brands, and then you can add them. And then when user will click on any brand, then they will click on it and they will be reached to the brand filter page. So to customize this, just hover the edit with Elementor and added this jewelry slide one. So here you can just click on it and update the text. And if you want to update this background image, you can go to the website dashboard, and here you will go to the slides, and here you will see them. So just you can open them, and here you can also edit with Elementor and change the text. And here you can scroll down and go to background, and here you can upload the image. And similarly for the second one, go back and open this one, and here you can update the image if you want by just going to the background. So you can open them and you can see what is the size of this image, and you can create a new image of the same size to avoid any alignment or design issue. So that's how you can customize the banners of the website. So now let's see how we can add new products and categories. So for categories I have already explained you, and let's see how we can upload new products in those categories. So let's go to the dashboard. So to add the new products, just go to products and click on add new. So adding product is very easy. You just need to add the product title, the price, the images, and the gallery of the product, maybe descriptions. So as it's a jewelry website, so let me just add bangle. So here you can write the title, and here is the product description. This is the long description, and when you will scroll down here you will see another description. This is a shorter one. So these two show at different locations. So let's just add some content over here, and I will tell you exactly where they are showing. So let's select the product image. So here you can add any image. So just for example, for this video, let's use this one. And here is the gallery where you can upload different product images. So let's select a number of images to just see how it shows. And here is the category. So just select the bangles one or any category to which you want to post it, and here you can write the price. And if here you can make it variable product if there are variations, and here you can write the sale price, which will be the discounted price. So let's add that one as well, and let's publish this product. So here you can click on view product, and here you can see. So here is the short description and the longer one shows over here. So here you have the product gallery, and this is the product main image. So that's how you can upload the product. So if a user want to purchase the product, they can click on add to cart, and here this sidebar will appear. So user can click on checkout to place the order, and here they will enter the information, and here they will have to select the payment method. So let's see how we can add a payment method. So just go to the dashboard, and here go to WooCommerce and go to settings, and here you can go to payments, and here you can see different payment methods. So if you want to use PayPal or anyone like that, then you can go to plugins and you can click on add new. So here you need to write the name of the payment method that you want to use. So for example, for PayPal we will write PayPal, for Stripe we will write Stripe. So just write PayPal for now, and here you can see different plugins for that payment method, and you can see the ratings of them. So here we have this plugin, it has better rating than this one, so we will install this one. Activate. So here we can close this, and now the plugin is installed. So just go back to the settings and said you can refresh. So when you will install the plugin, the new method will automatically show over here, and you can click on this finish setup button, and here you can go to API settings, and here when you will click on this click to connect, then it will connect. your website with your PayPal account just like this. So you can log in and it will be connected, and after that you can just go to the PayPal settings, and here you can click on enable and it will automatically start showing on the website's checkout. So user will be able to place the order and make the payment using PayPal. So let's go to the next topic, which is shipping and taxes. So to set up shipping and taxes for my own website, I always add the tax in the product price. So I don't add the taxes, but for shipping you can add the shipping like a flat price, or if you want to set up shipping based on your courier, then you can contact them and you can get their plugin and integrate with your website, and it will fetch the prices. So you can go to WooCommerce settings. Here you will go to this shipping tab, and here you can see you can add a shipping zone. You can create different shipping zones for different locations, and you can add their own pricing. So when user will enter their shipping address, then it will automatically see which location has what price, and it will add the price to the order price. So here for example, let's create a zone for Pakistan and select the countries. So let's just select Pakistan, and here you can add a shipping method. So you can add a flat rate, local pickup, or free shipping as well. So let's just add free shipping for now. If you want to add flat rate, just enter the value and it will apply it to the whole area. So that's how you can add the shipping. You can also create shipping classes. So if you want to charge different shipping for different products, then just go to the product and add the class name over there, and then go to classes over here and add the price for that class, and it will apply to all the products that have that class added to them. So that's how you can set up shipping on your website. If you want to know more about that, because there is lot of things and lot of questions about that, so if you have any question like that, just leave a comment and I will help you out. You can also contact me by visiting my website www.kashifmehmood.com, and let's see the blogs. So and then wrap up this video. So blogs are added from this post tab. So just like product, you add the post, and just like product categories, you can add blog categories. So here is the blog categories. You can just name it and it will create a category for the blog, and you can delete the older categories if you want and create new categories just like we did with the product categories, and you can add a new post just like a new page or a new product. So for product we have pricing and different things, but for post or blog we just have the post title and we have the post content just like here you can see. So here will be the post title, and here we have the post content. So just add the content over here, and you can click on publish to add the post to your website. And after adding that, just visit your website blog page. So here we have not shown the blog page, but we have this blog section, so you can see the post title. So you can add the feature image if you want. Go to post, and here you have this site featured image, so you can upload the image and it will start showing over here. And when you open this post, here you can currently see it says uncategorized because we have not added that to the category. So let's select any image and just scroll down, and here categories, you can select any category that you want. So here we have the decoration one. So just refresh, and here you can see the post content and the featured image, and user can leave a comment if they want. So that's how you can create a jewelry website. If you have any question, just reach me out on my website via the contact form. All the contact details are provided in the description, and I will also provide the links for the web hosting that I recommend and I personally use in the description of the video. If you will purchase the web hosting or theme or anything using the link provided in the description, then I will receive a little bit of commission that help me create these type of free videos for you. So that's it for the video. Like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.